Friday the 1st of November and this is our final, I won't say destination, final place that we stop. We'll stay here then overnight and we'll leave in the morning. So we've got a full day in Tenerife. It's quite busy here. People are leaving today because it's Friday and Saturday leaving, so it's been quite busy. The crossing over night was like that, but it wasn't bad. It's quite just over at the minute and we're just about to have a cup of tea, so I'll see you in a bit. Right then, we're going to walk into Tenerife. We've just realised it's All Saints Day, so it's a bank holiday, so we're not sure if anywhere will be open. Nice blue skies though, but it smells a bit pooey. How beautiful that is. It's a mixture of everything. He just can't resist. This is him resting his legs. Whoa, look at them. I'll walk by myself then, shall I? Just get very full zoom. It's fun, it's coming back to me. Look at it, it's lovely. I'm loving it. We're being like sheep today and following the crowd because we don't know where we're going. Hey up, what's this lurking behind me? Here he is, Gaz Runner at his best.
I think this is the city centre.
Yeah.
And this is just the port here.
Yeah.
It's great.
Oh, that's another one. Well, let's go and see what that's all about, shall we? Oh, there's a aerial tree. It's very nice. I thought that something had melted, but it's the lights. And then there's this. Oh, hey, look, there's a bloke here. It's two. Whoa. Right then, we've just walked up a hill like that. Shops are just opening because it's All Saints, as I said. And we've been in Alley Hop, got some air grips. As you do. There was nothing, oh, and a padlock for Gary's case because that broke on the way here. The top of the hill, I don't know if we're top or mid, but there's a lovely lovely fountain. So we're sitting on a bench. Looking at the fountain and just relaxing. Okay, so we fell into McDonald's just so Gary could have a wee. So I'm sat on my own again. This is what we got. Tea, coffee, salted caramel. And this is where we're sitting. Yeah.
¿Qué diferencia hay entre
elemental, la pipa del aguacate.
Thanks.
What are we having, guys?
Espresso.
Try it, ain't you?
Going for it. The nut sucks.
Nice.
Yeah.
And try your coffee.
No, damn. This guy's going to kill me.
Won't kill you.
Wow.
Hot. Strong. So you could find eyes of you, my eyes of you.
My eyes off you.
Yeah.
I can't take my eyes off you.
Now there you go.
Thank you. Take my eyes off you.
Wow.
Loading stuff, isn't it?
Must be sending stuff up to the Planet Bar. Or somewhere. Wow. Was Planet Bar at the back? No idea. So that is that the back or is that the front? Oh bloody no. Right, good morning on our last morning ever in the Azora. Or is it the last morning? We'll have to wait and see. I can see I've just got out the shower. I think it's about 20 to 7. We'll got to be there at 10 to 8. So we're going to go for breakfast soon. Guys in the shower. We're all packed. The cases are gone. It's just these bits we'll be wearing. So I haven't drank my tea yet, so I'm rushing to get ready. And this is the last time we'll see Tenerife. Oh, it's been a good holiday, and can't wait to do it all again. Watch this space. Okay, we're on the aeroplane. Here he is. You alright, guys?
Yeah, can't wait.
That's it. We're just going to show you the last bit of the sunshine. Ready for the winter now. Got my socks packed. See you soon.